In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a free website on Google Cloud Platform step by step. We'll walk through the entire process to get your site up and running without any cost. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Once you've done that, open the Firebase console. This is where we'll begin our journey. Inside the console, you'll want to add a new project. This is a straightforward process. Just click on the Add Project button and follow the on-screen instructions. Now there's an optional step that might be helpful for you. You can choose to install the Firebase CLI, which is necessary for deploying your site via the command line. Simply run the command npm ig firebase tools in your terminal. This step is optional, but it's recommended for a smoother experience. Next, navigate to the hosting section and click Get Started. This will guide you through setting up Firebase hosting for your project. After that, you'll need to log into Firebase via the terminal by running Firebase login. This will authenticate your terminal with your Google account and allow you to manage your hosting settings. If you have your own domain and want to use it for your website, go to Hosting in the console and choose to connect custom domain. Follow the DNS-TXT verification process and add the A records that Firebase provides you. This step not only links your domain but also ensures SSL is provisioned automatically, which helps secure your site. Once you've set the domain, you'll click Done. Now any files you serve will be distributed from Firebase's content delivery network for fast global availability. In parallel, it's time to create a GCP project and enable cloud storage. Go ahead and create a bucket, naming it exactly like your site, such as www.example.com. Upload your site files, typically starting with index.html, to this bucket. You can use the command gusutil mbgees www.example.com to make it happen. You'll need to ensure your files are publicly accessible. To do this, apply a uniform bucket level public access by running gusutil imsheet all users object viewer gs www.example.com. Now point your domain's DNS to this bucket. You can refer to Google's documentation for the correct configurations or utilize a load balancer if you require HTTPS support. As we prepare the web app, consider containerizing it or using the App Engine standard app. Installing and initializing a gcloud is essential here. Make sure to authenticate by typing gcloud-auth login. Finally, you can build and deploy your application to Cloud Run. Execute gcloud build submit .ps gcr.io/project id image to upload and tag your build. If necessary, use Cloud Run or App Engine's custom domain mapping. Thankfully, both offer free tier usage, which means that as long as you stay within these limits, you'll avoid any charges. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can have a fully functioning website hosted on Google Cloud Platform without spending a dime. Thanks for joining me and happy hosting!